Hi guys, today we'll talk about brew. You'll probably face with lack of programs after fresh installing macOS. For example, Git or Git or whatever. And Brew Package Manager is all we need to make our life easier. Let's go and install. So you can use this command line from my website or Google it, Brew macOS. This is official website. Let's start installing password, of course. Enter. Let's wait. Here we are. It's downloading command line tools, then installing command line tools for Xcode. Let's wait a bit. Here we are. So let's check. Brew. Nope, it's not working. You'll face with this error command not found. So what we need to do next is to run these commands here. Just copy, paste, enter, then brew. Yay! Homebrew 4611. So let's install Git, for example. We should use brew, install Git. Let's wait till some magic happens. Downloading, installing, and let's try. Here we are. Our utility is installed. That's all about Brew today. See ya in next videos. Bye bye.